Hello everyone, welcome back to Novel Techno School YouTube channel. Today I'm going to tell you EVS and the topic is our country. Do you want to know about your country in detail? Yeah? So let's see this, okay? Okay, our country. Okay, you tell me first before I tell more about a country. Tell me which is a country. What is the name of a country? Yes, it is, India, right? Yeah. What are the other names of a country? It is Bharata and yes, Hindustan. Very good. Yeah. What are the citizens of a country called? Yes, citizens of India, right? Yeah. Okay, I'll just show you some pictures, okay? You have to see that pictures and tell me what is it, okay? What represents it? Yeah, what is it? It's, yes, national emblem, right? And what is this? Everyone, each and every children know this. Yeah, it is a flag and it is having tricolor, right? Yes, it is a saffron, white and green, and in between what we have, it is a Ashoka Chakra, and it has 24 spokes. Very good. Yeah. Next, what is this? Yes, it is a Indian rupee. Okay, what is it? It is a Indian rupee, what we use in our daily life. Okay, yes, this is money called Indian rupee. Very good. Next, yes, what is this? It is a national animal, tiger. National bird, peacock. National flower, lotus. Yes, okay, that was about about our country. Okay, so come, let's learn more about yes, we'll learn more about our country. Okay, first we'll point out where a country is, right? Yeah, before, yes, in map we'll just find out. Before before I tell about a country, let's learn what exactly a map is. Okay, yeah, what is a map? Yes, it is, yeah, this is a map. It is nothing but a symbolic place, okay, which is drawn on a flat surface. What? It is drawn on a flat surface. Yeah, so as you see here, yes, as you see here, how is it map? You can just see here map, right? Yes, it is a flat, right? Yes or no? Yes, it is a flat. Because it is two-dimensional figure, it is a flat, okay? It can shown in a big or small area also, okay? We have world map and each and individual country map. So, if just observe the world map here, world map can cover everything, okay? What? World map can cover everything. Many countries, oceans, continents, right? It can show whole world, countries also, villages, streets, each and everything, okay? Yes, this is called world map, okay, and it is a flat surface and it can be in a big small area and it shows a world, country, states, everything. Okay, next is, there are many types of political, physical and thematical maps. How many maps are there? Three kinds of map are there. One is political map, physical map and thematical map. Okay, what is political map? It shows the boundaries of all the states, countries and towns and cities, okay? And physical map, it shows a physical features of country, states like mountain, desert, plateau, plains, waterfalls, like this, okay? This is called physical map. And what is thematical map? Thematical map is based on the theme, okay? It is indicates about a particular theme. If you want to know about pollution of a country or state or temperature variation of a country or state, then it will show theme based information, okay? So that is the reason we call this as a thematical map. Okay, you understood what is political, physical and thematical map. Okay, next, it is drawn to a scale and shows direction. Okay, why does it draw a scale? Because the distance between two directions, or distance between two villages, or distance between two states is hundreds and thousand kilometers. So all that we can't draw properly, right? So that is the reason it shows exactly direction. Okay, yeah. And it next is, it can be folded and carried everywhere. Yes, just because it is a two-dimensional figure, it is easily carried or roll if it is a big, and then can roll if it is a, if it is a big, we can roll it and carry it, and if it is a small, then simply we can fold it and carry everywhere we want. Okay, so that was all about map. And why do we actually use map? Why? Yeah, if you see a map and you can just observe many colors are there, right? Yeah, why it is in many colors? Do you know? It is just because it is easy to use and to know which country exactly is that, okay, or which country is laying there, or how big the country is, or how big or how small the country, the particular country is. Okay, so that's the reason we use different colors. As you see, sea, water place are colored with the blue, whereas mountain, hills, deserts all are colored with different colors like brown and green, right? Yes, yeah. So if we have different colors like that, so that it will be easy to identify the particular country, state, villages or street. Yeah, yes. And not only that, if you have map, if you have map, you don't have to depend on any other person. Okay, you can just look at the map and see the direction and follow your journey. Yes, it will be very much easy to you follow up. Yeah, this was about map. Okay, you understood what is map? It is a flat surface, we can draw in a flat surface, and it is a two-dimensional, and it is a big, we can draw or shown big or small area, and we can show world, country, state, city, villages and street. And it is having many types of maps, and it shows the scales and directions also, and it can be folded and carry everywhere, right? This was about map. So next, let's see what is it next. Yeah, what is a globe? Yes, tell me what is. Yes, this is a globe. It is round. You can just see here, it is round like a ball, right? Yes, so it is called as a replica. Globe is a replica of the earth. Because it is round, so it is called as a replica. Okay, yes. And here and it is not two-dimensional shape. What? The globe is not two-dimensional shape, it is three-dimensional shape. Okay, you should remember that globe is three-dimensional shape. Okay, that's the reason it is a spherical in shape. Okay, and it shows the continents, oceans and countries more clearly than map. Okay, it shows the more clearly, but because of the shape, it is easy to find the location in the globe. Okay, yeah, and it turns round and round. Next, and can observe the poles, lines of latitude and longitude much clearly. And globe is just because the three-dimensional, it is difficult to carry from one place to another. We can, because it is a three-dimensional shape, we are not able to carry from one place to another place. Okay, as the globe is spherical, we can you can just turn the globe round and round, and you can see all the country and continent very easily. Yeah. We can see whole world very nicely. How many poles are there? How many poles are there? How many poles do we have? It is North Pole and South Pole, right? Yes. Now we understood what is the globe and map, right? So now let's do a quick activity. So you're ready for the quick activity? Yeah? Yeah, understood, you understood now what is map and what is globe. Shall we do it? Yes. Next, so let's play a small game. Observe the above picture. Okay, listen the clues. Whatever I give the sentence, you have to if it is based on particular thing, then you have to show a thumbs up. If it is not appropriate, then you have to show, thumbs down. Okay, so you're ready? Yes, it can be folded or rolled and carried in a pocket. Yes, it is thumbs up. Why? Because it is a two-dimensional, so we can fold and roll and keep it in a pocket and we can move on. Yes. Next, it is a two-dimensional. Globe is two-dimensional. What did I said? It is three-dimensional. Yes, because it is a spherical, it is a three-dimensional shape. Yes, then it is a thumb down. It is round like a earth. The map is round like a earth. No, it is a flat surface, right? Yes, then it is a thumbs down. Next, it is always mounted on the stand. Yes, the globe is mounted on the stand. Then it is a thumbs up. It shows different physical features. Does it show different physical features? Yes. Yes, it shows many countries in details. Okay, features of all country in more details. Okay. Yes. So I'll tell you, no maps are more detailed. Okay, because you look at the globe has only globe have countries and continents, but when you look at a map, the physical features of all countries more detailed. Okay, so it is a thumbs up. Next, it is uses symbols, colors and direction. Yes, it have colors, but just because it is a it is having only colors, but it doesn't show directions. Okay, so it is a thumbs down. Comparatively, it is less detail. Is it a less detail? No, we have more details here. Okay, I said previously, yes, physical features, and it shows a more detailed. Okay, then it is a thumbs down. Next, it can be moved round and round to a top. Yes, because it is a two-dimensional, yes, it can be moved round and round as a top. Yes, we can make a round and round. We can just move it. Yes, because it is a spherical body, it is mounted on the stand, so we can move round and round. Then it is a thumbs up. Yes, next it can be drawn on a flat surface. Yes, it is a two-dimensional figure. We can draw a map on a flat paper or a cloth, so it is a thumbs up. Okay, it can be made with the help of balloons. It can be made of balloons and balls. Yes, it can be made up with balloons and balls because it is a spherical in shape, right? Yes, because it is in a spherical shape, we can use balloons and maps, and you can use for this even for the project also. Okay, you can use for the project also. Yes, this was about map and globe from our country, right? So in our next video we are going to learn about direction. That will be a part 2. For next video, please be watching our YouTube channel, subscribe our channel and click on bell icon. I'll be back with next part 2 video, that is directions. Okay.